This package was sent to me from Custom Interior. If you're looking for a premium seat covers with perfect fitting for your 2011 Mustang without having to replace your seats, these are the perfect choice. With the Christmas season coming up, these seat covers will be a great gift for car lovers that not only own a 2011 Mustang, but also 11 to 18 Mustangs, Chargers, and many other vehicles. Now these seat covers that I have are the artificial premium leather and all black. Installation is pretty straightforward and simple. A few things I recommend for perfect fitment is removing your seats from the vehicle. Now many can't do that for different reasons. It'll be a bit tricky, but it'll still fit without removing your seats. Now for the installation, since the weather is getting colder, the cover will take a bit longer to settle, but besides that I have no complaints. Fully change your interior with Custom Interior. Link is in the description if you're interested in buying these seat covers. Now let's get back to the video.